We're here tonight in rural Leicestershire working on behalf of Network Rail to install this 140-tonne asymmetrical steel arch bridge. We've been working here for around about 4 months to do all of the enabling works, and due to the size of the structure, we've had to do the assembly here on site. For the past month, we've assembled the structure bit by bit and finished all of the protective painting system here on site.
This bridge was previously demolished a couple of years ago because the wires wouldn't have been compatible with the height of the structure, so the replacement structure's been put in so that the OLE can pass safely underneath.
We're working here tonight with a full possession and isolation of the track. We've got a full exclusion zone around the crane when it's in operation, and we've got a highly trained team from Osprey Lifting who are carrying out the lift. We've had a great supply chain working with us here at Three Arches right the way through from design to construction. We've had RMF do all of the civils work for us and the temporary works, and then Carver's Engineering who have done all of the steel work.
We've been working very closely with Story from the start of the design up until this point, making sure that any issues that have come about as a result of the design or otherwise have been solved quickly and easily. It's been a challenging project because we've worked into quite tight timescales to get the bridge in and commissioned, and I think we worked very well with the Story team to be on plan to deliver that.
I've really enjoyed this project. One of my first in a project management function. It's been a nice one to be involved in.